Hello, hi, welcome to our show. Please subscribe our show. Today we're going to see about the WhatsApp secret tricks. Okay, we can see about this. You need one app. This trick is the app name is M3 Translator. I give this app description, app link on description. Okay, you can see. Okay, after installing it, if you or send any secret message to anybody, uh, use this app. We can see about this app. First install and open the app. Intro will be playing, and you should type your text. Okay, after if you write, you should in down on click done, and in down it will be on green color box. It will be written that line, and copy it. That copy symbol, if you copy it, take your WhatsApp. This is the secret message. After you are taking WhatsApp, send to anybody. And paste it on this. The slash message will be going, and we should read this message. Means first copy this message. After copying, download this app and paste it on the app. Now it will translating. Now see, your text is translated. Okay, thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe our show.